Have you ever wondered about the mysteries shrouded in the ancient pyramids of Egypt? This question has piqued the curiosity of historians, archaeologists, and explorers for centuries. The pyramids of Egypt, these majestic structures standing tall against the test of time, are not just a testament to the ancient world's architectural prowess, but also a gateway into a civilization that continues to fascinate us. Situated on the west bank of the Nile, the pyramids are the enduring relics of Egypt's Old and Middle Kingdoms. They were built as grand tombs for the pharaohs and their consorts, with the belief that these structures would help the deceased's soul ascend to the heavens. Their colossal size and intricate design resonate with the idea of eternity, a concept deeply ingrained in the ancient Egyptian ethos. But the pyramids are not just about grandeur and eternity. They are a testament to the ingenuity and engineering skills of the ancient Egyptians. Despite the lack of modern tools or machinery, they managed to construct these colossal structures with remarkable precision. Each stone, some weighing as much as 2 full-grown elephants, was meticulously placed, creating a monument that has stood for over 4,000 years. Yet, the construction of these pyramids remains an enigma. How did a civilization existing thousands of years ago accomplish such an engineering feat? How were they able to transport these massive stones across the desert? And how did they manage to align these structures so precisely with the stars? These questions continue to baffle us, prompting endless debates and theories. The pyramids of Egypt are more than just ancient tombs. They are a symbol of human determination and ingenuity, a testament to a civilization's quest for immortality, and a mystery that continues to elude us. They have sparked curiosity, inspired awe, and ignited the imaginations of many. Now prepare to embark on a journey through time, as we start from the very beginning. Let's delve deeper into the enigma of the pyramids, unraveling their secrets and exploring their significance in the ancient world. The journey promises to be as captivating as the pyramids themselves. The story of the pyramids begins in 2700 BC, an era that marked the dawn of architectural brilliance. In the heart of Egypt, a remarkable structure began to rise from the sands, changing the landscape and setting a new standard for human ingenuity. This was the Step Pyramid of Djoser, a monument that stands as a testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Egyptians. The Step Pyramid of Djoser, the oldest colossal stone building in Egypt, marked the first time in history that stone, rather than mud brick, was used on such a grand scale. This was a pivotal point in architectural history, as it signaled a shift in construction methods and materials, opening up a world of possibilities for future structures. This pyramid, with its 6 distinct layers, was the brainchild of Imhotep, a man of many talents. He was an architect, a physician, a chancellor, and a high priest. But perhaps his most enduring legacy is his role as the architect of the Step Pyramid. Imhotep's revolutionary design was the first of its kind, and it served as a blueprint for future pyramid builders. The Step Pyramid wasn't merely an architectural marvel, it was also the earliest colossal sculpture of Egypt. This magnificent structure was more than just a tomb for the pharaoh Djoser. It was a symbol of his eternal life, a stairway to the heavens, and a testament to his power and prestige. The significance of the Step Pyramid extended far beyond its walls. It signified a monumental leap in architectural design, one that would inspire future generations of builders. It was a statement, a declaration to the world that the Egyptians were masters of their environment, capable of constructing structures that could withstand the test of time. The Step Pyramid set a precedent, paving the way for more grandiose structures that would captivate the world. It was the dawn of a new era, an era of architectural brilliance that would see the rise of the majestic pyramids that continue to awe and inspire us to this day. By 2600 BC, the blueprint of brilliance had evolved into the creation of the Great Pyramids. Majestic and awe-inspiring, these colossal structures rise from the sands of Giza, etching their grand silhouettes against the Egyptian sky. The most prominent among them is the Pyramid of Khufu, or the Great Pyramid, an architectural marvel that stands as the largest pyramid ever constructed. Built as a tomb for the pharaoh Khufu, This pyramid is a testament to the engineering prowess of ancient Egyptians, a marvel of precision and design that still stands tall after over 4.5 millennia. Its original height was approximately 481 feet, nearly equivalent to a modern 40-story building. Imagine that, constructed in an era when machinery was simply a dream of the future. Theories abound about how this mammoth structure was built. Some propose that the Egyptians used a system of ramps and pulleys, while others suggest the use of water canals to float the massive stone blocks into place. Yet despite the multitude of theories, the exact methods used remain shrouded in mystery, a testament to the extraordinary skills of its builders. The Great Pyramid was not just a tomb, it was a statement of power, a symbol of the pharaoh's divine status. Beyond its function as a burial site, it served as an astronomical observatory and a calendar, its alignment with the stars reflecting the Egyptians' advanced understanding of the cosmos. Inside this pyramid, a labyrinth of passages leads to the king's chamber, a granite-clad room where the pharaoh's sarcophagus was placed. This chamber, devoid of any decoration, resonates with an eerie silence, a stark reminder of the transience of life and the permanence of death. The Great Pyramids, a testament to human ingenuity, remain an enigma that continues to baffle us. They stand as silent witnesses to history, their secrets locked within their colossal stone blocks, challenging us to unravel their mysteries, to understand the minds and hearts of the people who dared to reach for the stars. Even after thousands of years, they continue to inspire awe and wonder, a testament to the indomitable human spirit that dared to dream, to build, and to conquer eternity. As the sands of time shifted, so did the architectural preferences of the pharaohs. Let's zoom in on the period around 1700 BC. This time marked a significant decline in the construction of pyramids, an architectural style that had dominated the Egyptian landscape for over 1,000 years. This shift was not abrupt. Rather, it was a gradual transition that reflected the changing tastes, beliefs, and perhaps even the practical considerations of the pharaohs and their people. What caused this shift, you may wonder? Scholars propose several theories. One compelling argument suggests a shift in religious beliefs. The pyramid, originally designed as a stairway to the heavens, began to lose its spiritual significance. Over time, Egyptians began to favor a more direct journey to the afterlife, leading to the construction of hidden tombs in the Valley of the Kings. Another plausible explanation relates to the economic strain of constructing such monumental edifices. Imagine the sheer amount of resources, labor, and time required to build these colossal structures. As the economic realities of the time evolved, it's likely that the pharaohs had to adapt their architectural ambitions accordingly. A third theory points to the increasing incidence of tomb raids. The grandeur of the pyramids made them an easy target for grave robbers. As a result, the pharaohs might have opted for more concealed and secure burial sites. Regardless of the reasons, this shift in architectural style marked the end of the Pyramid Age. But while the construction of new pyramids dwindled, the importance of these existing icons didn't. They continued to stand tall, a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of the ancient Egyptians. The pyramids, with their grandeur and mystery, became a symbol of the enduring legacy of the pharaohs. They served as a reminder of a time when humans dared to reach for the stars, sculpting their dreams into the very fabric of the earth. Although the Pyramid Age had ended, the allure of these majestic structures never faded. They continue to captivate our imagination, beckoning us to delve deeper into the secrets they hold, to marvel at the wonders of the ancient world. As we journeyed through time, we discovered the fascinating history of the ancient pyramids. The enigma of the pyramids, these colossal structures that have graced the Egyptian landscape for millennia, has been a subject of intrigue for generations. We delved into the dawn of the Pyramid Age, a time when mankind first challenged the heavens with their architectural prowess. The construction of the first pyramid, a monumental task undertaken by the pharaoh Djoser and his architect Imhotep, marked a significant milestone in human history. It was a testament to the ingenuity and determination of a civilization that dared to dream. Moving forward, we turned our attention to the zenith of pyramid construction, the era of the Great Pyramids. These structures, particularly the Great Pyramid of Giza, are marvels of engineering that continue to astound us. Built by Pharaoh Khufu, the Great Pyramid stands as the last of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, its grandeur undiminished by the passage of time. Yet all things must come to an end. We explored the twilight of the Pyramid Age, a period marked by changes in architectural styles and the shift towards smaller, less conspicuous tombs, reflecting the changing socio-political climate of ancient Egypt. The construction of pyramids gradually faded into the annals of history, yet their legacy continues to inspire. The pyramids are more than just monuments, they are a window into a civilization that has long since passed, a civilization that dared to reach for the stars. These magnificent structures stand as a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of the ancient Egyptians, their secrets still locked within their stone chambers. The pyramids, these silent witnesses of time, continue to stand tall, their secrets locked within, a testament to a civilization that once was. Until the next journey, this is at Wonders World. 7.